Tadasana, mountain pose. This is the basic for all the standing postures. Now let's see the instruction from the bottom to the top. Outer edge of the feet are parallel with each other. Ball of the feet is grounding and the middle of the heel is grounding as well. See that the front side of your body is directed upwards. So the kneecap, the pubic bone, the navel and the sternum is directed upwards. The back part of the body downwards. The bottom of the shoulder blades, the tailbone and the heels are grounded. See that you're engaging the whole part of your back part. The spine is inserted in the body deeply, and also your hip should be level. So pubic bone and the navel up, tailbone looking towards the ground, sacrum inside the body, and push the psoas muscle forward. On the back, squeeze the two shoulder blades and see that your collarbone is lengthening. You can do different hand gestures, for example, namaskar in the front or in the back, or also you can raise the hands above the head. The arms are parallel with each other. Or you can also cross your palm, cross your fingers behind your sacrum, squeeze together, further together the shoulder blades. See that your chest is widening and feel as there is a stretching movement in the spine as well as you inserting your spine inside the body. If you want to work on the arm joints and the symmetry of the arm and the arm bones, then you can grab a brick and bring your hands up, push the brick with your palms and see as the bones are stretching, strengthening, and also the joints. Or you can do the same with the brick behind your sacrum. Squeeze the brick at least for 6-8 breaths and just watch your sensation and watch how you get back symmetry into your body.